Welcome to Phonics. The Alphabet School, Book 1. I, 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 ink, I, igloo, I, insect, ink, igloo, insect. I. Story time. Inky, the insect, and the igloo. It was icy outside. Inky had an idea. Inky would make an igloo. Igloos are made of ice. It takes a lot of ice. Inside the igloo is warm. Inky likes being inside the igloo. I, I, I. Ink, igloo, insect.
You can place an order for our Comic Phonics book series, The Alphabet School, Long Vowel Sounds, Letter Combinations, the 4-to-4 Sounds, and lots more. Simply click on the link in the video description below. Thank you.
Goodbye, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Goodbye, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go.